What's up, everybody? Quick little video for the YouTube. So let's get started. I'll just go over like trade that I wanted to take today, but I couldn't due to Tradovate being down on a day. Then it came back up, but I mean I didn't want to trade late New York session. So all right, let's get started here. I took only one reason, like actual like trade that I had some bias behind. So I saw that we were going to London lows, and I saw the draw liquidity was pretty clear to me. I could have held it for longer, but I didn't because there are levels that we could have targeted. They're like from far away. I don't know why. I think I accidentally erased all of my drawings and all the charting that I did. And we had 2 day opening. Um, when was it? At 00. So on the midnight 5 minute candle. When was that? Thing. Oh, that's not it. Is that it? Yep. Okay. So what I anticipated, because I actually just learned this yesterday from my friend. He told me the 2 day open on New York time, the candle there on that like open is, if it's not taken out by London, New York should draw to it. So honestly, if I were to enter longs off of like some retracement, I'll probably target, like, knowing this information now, like if I wanted to enter longs, target Asia high and have my stop loss be right there, because this area is already explored. Right, it was not even wickless. So yeah, if I was to take longs, I'll probably be the spot and somewhere like in that little fair value gap. So actually get a limit order going here. Very small risk because I don't want to risk a lot today. But yeah, I mean, it's a 3.56 RR. Awesome. With one micro, 348, $350. Pretty good if that does play out. But yeah, we had these 5 minute imbalances. I was actually targeting this one. Then I saw that the price was probably just not going to come back down to that price point. I thought maybe get filled here on this C, didn't. And I also did have a projection tool like somewhere here, but we didn't get filled. I was like a couple points away from being filled. But we had this wickless 5 minute open, and that was my reasoning, to see possibly like price come back down, rebalance this range, and it actually chopped around here. It was kind of indecisive on like whether to continue up or go lower, and that was honestly like something you could like anticipate, like shorts to just probably not be the move, but like a deeper retracement. I expected, like, to be honest, a deeper retracement, at least to the 05 level. Like if we look at the session fib, is that it? Okay, like we didn't even retrace to the 05. So yeah, like that like would have been my entry, and I would target this 2 day open, or yeah, the 2 day open here, the orange line, not the dotty one, the solid one. That's the 2 day open. I was gonna target that for my TP. Would have been a pretty good trade, but you know, didn't happen. Didn't get filled. So that's not the end of the world. It's not bad at all. So let's delete that one. And that was pretty much it for today. I'm probably not gonna trade this, but like I kind of want to take this because I just think that this fair value gap is gonna get rebalanced, maybe like a little drawdown. Then we should go to the take profit. Like it's pretty easy to see the draw liquidity right now. Today was a pretty good day, honestly. It's just sadly Tradovate was down, so I can't really take any trades here that I wanted to on the 1 minute. Um, there's just stuff going on. Like off of open, I just thought we were gonna dump because the opening candles were just dumping straight down. So I was actually anticipating us to hit like super low points. So I was expecting us, we hit that, all those levels were hit. And I was targeting those levels. They got hit. And there was like a 4 hour gap too that I was actually anticipating us to hit. But I'm not sure if we did or not. Where is it? So I remember it's like one of these I think. Gaps was a 4 hour. Actually this is a wickless open on the 4 hour. It's weird. Oh never mind, it has a wick. So let's delete that. But yeah, I think it was this gap honestly that I was thinking of. I don't know how did all my charting just disappear, but yeah, look at this 4 hour. Just stretch that out, stretch that thing out. I thought we were gonna actually come back to it, or go down to it. To be honest, I think the great short is gonna happen soon. I think it's gonna happen next week, starting next week. I think we're just gonna, retrace lower and lower and lower because we've been at this overextended high range for like a while now, and I think we're gonna like come back down maybe to like 25K. That would be like a reasonable thing. But let's look at the grand scale of things just to see like how far we are on the fib. So yeah, we actually just broke the 0236 level. So I would probably expect shorts like on the daily. What does that look like? Mm, yeah, on the daily, I think we're gonna come back down to the 05 pretty soon here. It's probably this week. I will not be surprised because we finally, started showing some momentum down. These lows were like our like most recent lows, and today we like really pushed into them. So yeah, that was kind of my like little outlook review of price action today. The trade that I did take, and yeah, just like my little thoughts on today overall. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Hope you all have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.